What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a makeup redo or like a makeup recreation where I find a picture on Pinterest, which I will insert in the screen so you can see which one I picked, and I'm going to try to recreate that look. So today is not a typical film day for me. Like right now I should be at work, but it's snowing in Atlanta, so I get to be home today. So I was like, why not take advantage of this time and shoot a video. I haven't done a video in a very long time. I haven't done anything for my site, my website, my blog, my YouTube, or anything. In a YouTube a lot longer than everything else, but definitely not anything for my site that I have and all that, which will all be linked down below in a very long time. And I also have a podcast coming talking about what's been going on and everything like that, and just kind of, you know, filling everyone in on kind of things that I have going on and what I've been, you know, kind of trying to push myself through the beginning of this year. So I'm really excited to have this day home so that I can film and try to get some things done, posts done, and things like that. So like I said, the picture should be inserted. I'll try to insert it about now since I'm about to get started, so you can kind of see the look that I'm going for. Today is just, like I said, a kickback day. There's nothing I can do. I can't leave the house. I know the road outside my house looks clear, but I don't know about the roads around my street, around my neighborhood. So yeah, I'm gonna just be in the house today. So I just figured I'd play makeup, something I enjoy doing. So we're gonna start with brows like always. I'm just opening palettes. Sorry, you probably hear all that noise. Trying to get everything laid out before I start. And I'm gonna be using my ProFusion palettes that I got from Target during the holiday. They actually still have these on their website too. This one is the Sultry palette, and the other one that I'm using as well is the Natural palette. And I've used these before and I like them for their price point. These were like $9.99. So I like to try a lot of palettes and things that are inexpensive and then try to see how they work, and things of that nature. So I will not be talking this whole video. I will try to insert some type of music or something in here that will play while I'm not talking, so you guys don't have to just hear me talk, because I don't really have a whole lot to talk about. That's not going to be coming up in my Real Talk podcast and the post that goes along with that on my site. So again, all of my social media, all of my websites, or like the blog site and everything is going to be linked down below, so you can go and check that out. And again, I'm just going to get started with my brows. So let's get started. Okay, so none of my electronics want to let me be great, and that's okay. I'm finished. I'm just, kind of talking through with you guys. So this is the look, how everything turned out with the eyes. I know that was the main focus. The lashes, I haven't used these lashes before, and I actually got them. Like, I like to try, like I said, inexpensive things. Since I am a single mom, it's kind of a challenge for me to spend money on makeup. So I do it in like small amounts and little bits here, little bits there. So I actually found these lashes at Family Dollar, and they were literally $1. And I use the ones that are dramatic all the time, and I really like those. And these are the delightful ones, so they're a little less poppy. Like, they're just a little more subtle. And for me, because my lashes are basically pretty full for me and what I'm used to seeing on my skin and my face, these are a little like less, you know, noticeable to me. So if I had like maybe church on Sunday, I can wear these. These are really good for church. But they're really, really less dramatic than the dramatic. And those to me aren't even really that dramatic, but they go well because I have very thick hair and all that stuff. So yeah, this is the first time using these lashes, and I actually really, really, really like them. Everything that I used on my face will either be a card insert, and I'm sorry, this lighting is just not letting me be great. It just is not, and I'm just gonna be great anyway. So yeah, it's not working. Not working. I can see it going in and out. Anyway, so yeah, the because I'm shooting from my phone because my camera died. But everything else will be listed either in the description box, or I'm gonna try really hard to insert a picture. No, that's too dark. Sorry guys, the camera's washing me out. The lighting, I have these daytime bulbs in my vanity that I made, so it's kind of washing me out on my phone, and I can't get it to focus in, and kind of, there we go. I must have tapped the screen on accident. Anyway, so yes, my daughter's gonna come in and talk. Anyway, like I was saying, everything will be listed down in the description box below, if not inserted in little cards into the video, so you guys can see everything that I used, the colors that I used to create this look. And again, like I said, the overall like face look didn't really turn out the way I wanted to. I had to do a lot of blending, but I really like it. Actually, it really works. I kind of wish I had somewhere to go, you know, but I don't, so it is what it is. Just, it was fun for me, and I really enjoyed it. So for me, that's kind of all that matters right now. But I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. There will be more to come. There will definitely be more to come, so please keep watching, stay tuned, and go visit my site, thewholeway.com. It will be listed down in the description box. There's plenty of posts on there, a lot of things. Please leave your emails,